Guys, dali!
Uy, big ko na ako! Pwede ba to?
Hindi, wala be. Lima dapat lima.
Ano ba yan?
Dami na!
Susunod na bola.
Wala pa, wala pa!
Isa na na! Dami ko na puro! Hindi!
Susunod na bola. Check, 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 check.
Wala pa, wala pa!
Isang baboy, isa.
Ako na to, ako na!
Ako na to!
Ay na, ay, ay!
Susunod na bola. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Grabe. Grabe. Sobrang dami ng puro. Pagkakas na. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na.
Ay, follow ko! Wala ko naman.
I tell you, everybody, G16, all 6 and 9, good people.
Wala mo makita, bro! Wala pa pala. Ano ba yan? Si Eyelashes Girl. Walang context. Nasap na ice cream. Tapos.
Ano ka naman yan?
Magmukbang. Can I bite? Can I have a bite? Sa chicken.
Yan ang chilo mo. Pati ito ha. Wow.
Di pantay. Ano? Ba't kasali kami?
Kasali tayo.
Sige. Ooh. Mamaya na ako. Dessert. Meron pang ice cream yun.
Laki naman nito, Mi.
Ooh.
Wala pa sila sa exciting part. Hi! Dito ka na dalay. Mamaya na kayo dyan. Eh, isama ka dito.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Waki. 1, 2.
Dito ka sa kabila. Sabi na sana yan. Dalawang camera.
1, 2. Okay.
So I would like to take this opportunity, guys, to thank all of you for the effort. As all you know, we haven't been together for 8 years. So we're going to have more games, more prizes, as we give thanks to the Lord for all the blessings for the past year and for the future years to come. Let's enjoy and let's party later, okay? Para sa $20. Ang galing mo dito, Machon!
Lalayo!
Kaya na yan, bili na. $20. Magkano ka na sulit ngayon? Dali na! Wala tayong buhay!
Babalik pa! Babalik pa! Sorry, isa galing na lang kasi
Ang dayang may assistant, apat. May apat na assistant. Claim your cancellation prize with Madam Ella.
It's alright. Taran, taran. Thank you.
Next game, si Elena. Burger game.
Oh my God, Chloe! Chloe, ano ba? Ano ba, Chloe?
Amendment to the rules. Wow. If it falls on you, ayan, natin. Tapos na tayo para makauwi na. O, yan na. ganda. Nadaan sa ganda. Oh, picture! Asan nyo?
Yeah.
Oh, every ang cargo, 1,000 pesos! Uy, nalang, hindi ko daw kasi sa stage na daw sila. Dahil! Wag na lang, hindi na kaya tuhod. Ah, dance, dance! Tito, I'm so sorry, hindi siya para sa'yo. Again, again! Ano, ganun pa rin kung kanino malapit. O, kanino malapit, out. Tita, I'm so sorry. Upo na po tayo. Upo na po. Ay, I'm so sorry, Tita. Out na po. Dito. Pasok natin yung ano. Nararamdaman mo na ang 2,000. Ramdam na ramdam. Hindi sa likod ang garter. Gusto ko yung slow-mo natin. Ang slow-mo. Ang slow-mo yung gano'n. Diba? Ramdam mo yung slow-mo. Sorry po. Out na po tayo. Hands up.
Ha?
Taas kamay. Liliw daw po
Mas
tayo.
mabilis. Mas mabilis na tayo.
Kapag-stretch eh. Pagtatanggol kita.
Dito, pagod ka na, di ba? Pahinga ka na daw. Tayo ka. Kaya naman hatiin. Hatiin na lang. Ano, hati? Hoy, punta dito. Ah. Kaya to, pass out. Ay, go dito. Alright, there you go. Okay, yan. Mamaya mag-maintenance po tayo.
Oh, ano na?
Hati na lang tayo. Kasi 2,000 dito. Hindi, palabas si Tito eh.
Galing ni Tito Ilan ah. Haharap ka. Haharap.
Kaya mo yan dito para sa 2,000 piso. Are you ready? Okay?
Ah!
Picture. din yun. 100,000 pesos consolation! Yung winner! Nakatanggap na 1,000,000. Ay, may lahat na may consolation na. Wow! May Santa Claus pala tayo dito. Big smile! Basta wag daw. Happy birthday. Ay, sige. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. A picture.
Tapon na, bilis, tapon.
Tataka si Tyler, nalabas siya. Nasaan na sila? Bababa yun, babalik yun.
Binibigay kami. Wala na, ayoko na.
Wala na.
Bigyan sana. Bigyan sana.
May kailangan na bili.
Nasaan na yung kandeng ni Chris kanina? Ay, wala pa.
Ayoko, alas 12 lang. Bigyan na sana ng jinxie ng makinasal.
Wala pa nga. Ayun na. Wala pa. Wala maya. Wala pa. Di ba ka magaling?
Ang sison.
Ang wish ko lang! Asawa muna bago ka pa.
Chip!
Happy birthday to you!
Oh, last clip sa vlog. Uy, energy! Wait lang.
Tayo po yung
Oh, kukuha sa rep. Kain saging.
Oh! Huwag yung bolang yan.
Ayos.
Hindi makita.
Kami sanay eh.
Bola namin yan.
Uy. Diyos.
Gigil pa more! Wow! 40-30. Pwede na matalo.
Pwede na matalo, nako. Thank you, ate.
Nagsushoot si Aishi ng mga content eh. Hindi na namin kayang gawin.
Hi sa vlog.
Kasama sa vlog.
Sarap pa.
Para makain. Ham and cheese. I like ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. Ito?
Ito, may corned beef pandesal.
Ayan na na. Corned beef.
Ito, Hailey. Favorite mo?
Spanish bread.
Spanish.
Huwag ka na magkrusan. Mamay ka.
Or Spanish bread ka na lang.
Dapat nagganto ka na lang.
Ayoko na. Tinan mo yung cheese mo. Ang gambot.
Wow! Tagalan mo. Dali na, ahon na.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Gayahin mo nga, ma.
Gayahin mo nga, ma.
Galing. Paano kaya yun? Nag-training ka, Nini? Ah. Ano to? Dadagdag ka pa ba?
Dadagdagan ko lang. Isa na. Yung ko. Ito. Ayan, sige.
Wow.
Apat naman.
Pwede ka may jackpot. Teka. Magdasal tayo.
Oh my God, may jackpot round. Jackpot round na.
Bilis na spin. Oh my God.
Spin the wheel. Hindi tayo naging nanalo.
Ayan na. California.
Arigato gozaimasu.
California King Bed.
Trade yan. Trade. You know what is trade? Oh, you know.
Bye!
Bababe pa.
Paano yun sa sacrifice niyan?
Sa sacrifice niyan. Maiba tayo.
Maiba tayo yan. First day pa naman game na natin.
Gumanong ka nga, Hailey. Nakaganan. Ah, grabe ko na. Hindi nakaganan. Yan. Picture kita dyan.
Ayaw.
Makulat ko dito. Hindi party. Sakto lang.
Yung flower lang yung bibilhin mo. Tapos ang dami mo nabili. Kaya ka na yung water. Flower lang.
Flower naging...
Favorite food din.
I'm about to get into this, girls. It's for all my grown women out there. I can't wait till I get home so you can tear the cherry out. I can't wait till I get home so you can tear the cherry out. I want you to turn the cherry out. Turn the cherry out. I want you to turn the cherry out. Turn the cherry out. I want you to turn the cherry out. Turn the cherry out. I want you to turn the cherry out. Turn the cherry out.
I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. What you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. What you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. Next to me, you keep testing me. I knew that we were meant to be, the connection was mentally, but I wanted you physically. Basically, I'm trying to say is that your body is heavenly, chemically inducing me with ecstasy. The smile in your eyes, I could go endlessly. Angel in disguise, gotta treat her carefully. I despise all these guys that try to stare to me, just knowing her eyes on the recipe to her bakery. I need her and she need me. Nothing could change at the Fago to her blueberry. Nothing could top that if you want. You can see what true love looks like. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. What you stuck in my head, I I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. Cause it's been all day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head. I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. I wish I was with you, like can I convince you to come drop the Addy, I pull out like tissue. I don't want no review, you give me the sequel. I murder the kitty, no desert like eagle. Let me come show you what I'm about. Me and my kids dancing in your mouth. And if you're ready, I'm headed towards the south. Back for bed, we can hit it in the couch. Find a knob, have you dripping like a spout. Slurp it up like you Kelly in a drought. Switch your routes, hit the gym, make you shout. But it's all in my head, why can't you just get out? Why I think about you now, I have no clue. Thinking about us in the clouds, drinking soju. You laugh at my jokes with a snort that is so you. There's more to your beauty, can I get to know you? Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. Cause it's been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me.